Picture mo kami.
Bubble.
Picture mo.
Wow, very nice place, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, hello. Welcome to another video, guys. We're heading to a falls. So, yeah, I just want to share it to you guys. This is my, I think, third and fourth or last video that we spent with the family. Nothing much, you know, just roaming around, you know. Try to make it every day, do different activities with the family. And now we are here. Look, we're heading to waterfalls. I forget the name. Look where we are. This is the closest I got in the mountain. This is my nature, actually. I'm not a beach guy, but in Lanzarote I don't usually swim in the beach because I don't know how to swim first, and I'm always working. And now I'm in a holiday. We went to the beach today. By the way, the beach is in the other side, and this is the waterfalls that we are going. And it's nice, you know, to sit there and with my nephew. He's swimming while I'm watching him. I just in the, you know, the closest part of the shore because I don't know how to swim. But I'm looking at my nephew swimming really good. Look, this is jungle. Look at the mountains, mountain range up there, guys. Well, there's a road you can walk on, but my other sister and a different mother telling us that we can go there with what they call it, with the buffalo and some like cart, and the buffalo is pulling us, but the buffalo is on rest today, so we need to walk. Anyway, good exercise. I'm having lots of food nowadays. Holidays. Look at the mountains, guys. Look at the adventure. Look at the greeny that Philippines has to offer. We're in the north side, by the way. Look at that. That's a mountain right there. Very nice. Spar. Basa yung kotse. Malawlaw.
No, sabi ko tayo, ano yung mga ano natin doon, dami. Ano ko daw ni Mama doon?
Tingnan. Ito ba basta? Mga dito na rito.
It's raining, ladies and gentlemen. La 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 la. Wow, what is right there? I really love the nature, guys. I really do love. Wow, mountain range. It's raining. It's raining, raining. This is what you call, this is the falls. To ang Halo, Lubong, ng Gulawan Falls. That's the name. We're near the falls. Wow! Open mountain for each of every one of you. Wow. Great stuff. There you go. We are now in the resort. It's actually a falls. It's my wife. It's raining. Oh no. Huh? Oh naman. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, the buffalo right there. So this is the price, guys. Ecotourism. What you call the ecotourism. Look at all the rocks. It's really cool. It's so hot this afternoon. So hot. The rocks is steaming. And my dad always complaining. Look at that. Put my bag now in my phone because it's heavy rain now. Ooh. That's a carabao, the buffalo that I'm talking about. Saan kayo? Saan kayo?
Doon pa daw.
Doon pa?
Sarap nga, ligo na tayo sa ulan.
Masyado. Jack, yeah.
Ito ka ba? Yun lang, lakad din malutang.
Wow! It's pouring rain. Let's see the falls. What happened to the falls? Oh, walang tubig.
Doon ang may tubig sa taas.
Sa taas pa? So this is the first fall that you ever see, but it's a little bit dry. There's another one that's up the hill. So let's go. Let me pause you a little bit. Hello. It's pouring rain. They're all wet now. Right? Tarik. Dahan-dahan. Family, slowly but surely.
Hawak sa gilid.
Slowly but surely. Let's go. Oh, how steep is this one? Kalitain ang mukha. Uy. We're now near. They're planting some trees now. It's great.
Abangan yung patay di.
Okay.
Abangan yung patay. Daan mo sa ato.
May pulse na daw, baba na daw. May pulse na, baba na daw.
Awakang sa ato ya.
Sabi, nautot pala ko.
Pahinga ka muna.
Yun na. Talusong eh.
Kapuin ka lalo dyan. Very good experience, ladies and gentlemen. It's raining so hard and everybody's wet. And look at. We need to travel on to go in the other side. I think we're not gonna make it with this phone. Can try our best to film it. Here we go. Hoy, madulas kayo dyan, ha? Huwag ka lang mawala. Okay.
Step there.
Actually, we didn't bring Bella. Bella is sleeping. So guys, this is how it's steep. The place is. Diyan kuya, may daan dyan pag ano. Ayun na, may pulse na. Pulse alarm.
Pulse lang.
Doms.
Ayun sir, yun sir.
Saan tayo last? Yun na?
Bukas, yun na tayo.
I'm gonna go there. There in that spot.
Masyado na madulas dyan.
So guys, we didn't make it up to the very end of that thing, you know, because it's too steep and too rocky and too slippery, and we have some babies on us, some ladies as well. So yeah, didn't make it. So guys, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the vlogs and see you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.